Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Following that, after tapping on Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go into the same settings, but this time select this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!